Ok, mi chef está cocinando hoy otra vez. Now what you making, baby?
I can't say it because if I say it,
Okay, I know.
no, I can say it, but if I say it, then Ruthie va a llegar.
Ruthie, la comadre de Idri.
Ruthie tiene buena salsa, ¿lo vamos a ver?
Oh, I'm gonna put the video. I'm gonna tag her. After work, she'll be right here. Got there's celery, carrots, and onions.
The mirepoix.
The
Mirepoix.
No hay nada tuyo que no tenga garlic. Y el olor, oh my gosh, smells so good. Y aquí tiene papas. So this is what he puts in the meat. The kind of meat he's gonna make today. Él dice que alguna gente lo pone crudo y no le gusta, eso él lo cocinó. What's that, baby?
Mashed potatoes with more bacon and cheese than potatoes. But not Alicia's famous one because I got excited before she got home.
Okay, now what you doing, baby?
Mixing all that stuff we warmed up earlier. Along with some secret ingredients that I don't tell anyone. I think Alicia's the only one that knows the secret ingredients, and she's not telling anyone. She's like bush beans.
Mashed potatoes. Y ahora que viene lo bueno. And this is the first time he's making it.
Trying it. And then maybe you'll get the Ruthie.
Si queda bueno. Oh, ¿cómo no va a quedar bueno? Nomás con ese sazón. Mira, dice la comadre de Eddie que ya viene para acá.
No le diga Ruthie.
Cover in it. That's perfect, baby. Sorry, I had to stop there because it's working. So he got his earpiece. He's on a call. There's the phone, and he's cooking.
Good.
Yeah, that looks good. And the oven is ready.
It's the ketchup.
Oh, yes, the ketchup. Pato cachú. A lo mío le pone más.
No?
A lo mío le pone más ketchup. Oh my God. And all the mashed potatoes coming out. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, all the mashed potatoes. Okay. They look delicious and smell so good.
So here's one. And she's cut it.
Yeah, cut it. All the mashed potatoes. Okay, I need a fork. Where's my fork? Yeah, that's one of my forks. Yo le digo ahora, espérense. Oh my gosh, baby. El sabor de meatloaf está dentro de los mashed potatoes.
Alicia, ¿quiere uno, baby? Alicia, ¿quiere uno?
Oh my gosh. I bet que ahorita me van a pedir la receta. So I'm gonna make it cooking channel and then I can share the recipes.
You want one, baby?
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you ready? You want me to cut it for you? This is the finished product.
No, la tienes que oler como su mamá.
Want me to cut it?
¿Está bueno? But say it.
It's good.
Freaking good.